Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to book a flight with Jetstar. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly in the menu, and in the top side of the screen we have your account, and in the very middle is an option where you can go and book your flight. But now guys, let's see actually how you can actually go and book your flight. So first of all, what you need to go and do is when you're here in the flight section, you need to put in from where you want to go to where you want to go. For instance, let's put it like here, and then put in the travel dates. So for instance, you want to go from 1st January to the 4th of January. Then put in the amount of adults, children, or infants if there are any, and click search. It will of course start searching for the flights. And here you have a lot of flights as you can see. So now you just need to go and click on select a flight to of course select a flight and select a return flight also. Then when you do all of those, here you can go, of course, you can change the fare if you of course want to do that. And here you can then continue to bags, where you can put how much bags you want, and then just of course with your credit card you can go at the end and buy the actual card. It will of course be in your top right corner in your of course list of course flights. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.